In this video you can see how you can set the warning thresholds for your vehicle on the TireMoni TM-240 and 260. This is the last step in programming the TireMoni. Press the left button until the menu appears. You have to select menu B. To do this, briefly press the left button once. This brings you to the selection threshold of alarm, i.e. set warning thresholds. Jump to the menu by pressing the right button. The device is ready for the first warning threshold, low pressure for the first axle. With the two left buttons you can set the value as desired. We recommend 0.5 bars below your cold inflation pressure. Confirm the setting with the right button. The device continues with the second warning threshold, high pressure for the first axle. Set the desired values, we recommend 1 bar above your cold inflation pressure, and confirm the setting with the right button. Now it's the turn of the third warning threshold, high temperature for the first axle. We recommend using the default setting. If you now confirm with the right button, the system jumps to the second axle. Here you set your warning thresholds in the same way as for the first axle. As soon as you confirm the temperature warning threshold of the last axle with the right button, the setting is completed. This brings you back to the starting menu. Press the ESC key to save the settings and exit the menu. The device restarts and is ready for use with your settings.